It's your boy Wonka, man. You know, I'm trying to be silent right now. That's what y'all know what this is. You know what I'm saying? Part two, that motherfucking nigga. Let's get it.
That's a wifey kid.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sir, I'm so sorry. Please, here, get this, please. Please. I'm sorry. Come on. Do it. Do it.
Do what?
All right then.
I wouldn't waste a bullet on your ass.
Yeah.
You piece of garbage.
All right. That's cool. This boy Wonka, man, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoyed that video, you know what I'm saying? That last clip that you saw, you know what I'm saying? That was just a jackass, you know what I'm saying? I was really gonna slap the, I don't even know, I was gonna slap the fuck out of that motherfucker though, you know what I'm saying? And thank you to Fuego the Kid. He's over there. Thank you, Kayvon, for recording. All trash and shit, you know? I'll let it slide though. But yeah, y'all subscribe. Gang, you know what I'm saying? Y'all like it, you know what I'm saying? Gang. Wonka, man. Ooh.